In this video, we're going to be talking about Harmony One. We're going to be analyzing the price of Harmony One to see where price is going, basically giving a technical analysis upon price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Harmony One, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Harmony One is currently up 6.56% at the time of recording. It's really nice to see that Harmony One is starting to become bullish again. You can see here on the daily chart that Harmony One did reach the daily low of around 0.122, and then from then onwards we pretty much had a breakout structure towards the upside, which is really nice. We're pretty much making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, which is really nice to see. If we check on the weekly to see how Harmony One has been getting on, so you can see here from this, Harmony One is starting to become really bullish. We were pretty much very bearish. We were pretty much trading within the range of a 0.129 and 0.119. So it looks nice. It's finally good to see that Harmony One is starting to break out as the accumulation schematic has now completed. If we go over to the monthly to see how Harmony One is, we're still overall bearish, but hopefully with the overall market starting to recover from the overall bear market essentially that did occur, hopefully Harmony One can start to reach its highs and probably even closer to $1 hopefully. So if we go over to trading view to have a bit more in-depth analysis on Harmony One, so yeah, as you can see on Harmony One on trading view, you can see here that on the daily, let's quickly start on the daily. Yeah, so let me just take out all the drawings. So yeah, you can see here that we're starting to become bullish again. Let me just get rid of that. Yeah, so we're starting to have bullish momentum coming through into the market. You can see here that we've pretty much just been bearish since when we've been bearish, pretty much since the 14th of January, where we pretty much made a double top essentially, above price failed to break above it, so therefore price did drop, and hopefully price can slowly start to recover. If we go back into this, if we drop into lower time frames like the 4 hour, you can see here that price did have a little accumulation schematic over here, but due to the overall market being bearish and Bitcoin being bearish, we did have the initial drop towards the downside. Pretty much having a breakout structure, but price did respect this demand zone roughly around this area. And what can be said, we did have an accumulation schematic play out within this region. So if we can drop into the 1 hour to have a bit more in depth, and so you can see here that pretty much from this, you can see we've had the selling climber. It's a secondary test, the secondary test in phase B, and then from here you had the spring pretty much liquidating all of the weak-handed sellers pretty much essentially, and then from then onwards we did have the initial rise towards upside, pretty much having a little breakout structure, but then we did pull back into this demand zone again, and we did respect this demand zone, which therefore did lead price to become bullish, and then from then onwards with Bitcoin being bullish as well, and the overall market, pretty much Harmony One just became bullish as well, which is really nice to see. What is the main areas, what are the main targets for Harmony One? Possibly the short term one is possibly around about this high pretty much, but I feel like with Bitcoin becoming bullish again, we will pretty much take out this high. The main one is this one over here, the 0.23576. That is the main one. The main reason for this is this is the one that initially caused the downwards trend, making a new lower low. So I would consider this as the initial one in order for us to become bullish again. But if we quickly check over at Bitcoin to see how Bitcoin is doing, you can see here that Bitcoin is pretty much starting to become bullish. We did have a little pull back towards the downside, but hopefully with the overall markets, hopefully with Bitcoin starting to respect this demand zone roughly around here, we should have another impulse towards upside, possibly even taking out this area, this pretty much very strong supply area, but hopefully we can liquidate this and start to target highs of roughly around 45k. So yeah, it's looking good for the overall markets, which is really nice to see. Even Harmony One is starting to become bullish. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. Peace.